Stupid pigs! I lost the Angry Birds! Alright, anyway, welcome back to another Ricardo video. And yes, this is Dr. Pepper, not Coke. Dr. Pepper.
You call me a pig? It's not the wrong show now.
No, it's not. You pig. Anyway. Okay then. Sorry, want a sip. Alright, just one.
You call me a pig?
No, not you. Well, actually, you were in the game.
Alright, it's now the Green Pig show now. Green Pig Fox now. Welcome
No, it's
to
not. You idiot. That's a good drink. But I'm gonna take this out so that other people can come in. Also, guys, I have an announcement to make.
I'm telling you either.
You're not done yet, either. What?
Yeah, you know from Naruto.
It's from My Hero Academia, class.
Pretty sure Naruto is from Dragon Ball.
What?
You know, Goku is from My Hero Academia.
Yeah, sure.
And
Also, guys, I have an announcement to make.
And Luffy is from Assassin's Creed Costume, am I correct?
Also, I have some.
And Core Sensei is also from Black Butler.
And you stop.
Final stop, jeez.
Thank you. But I have an announcement to make, and is that there will be Ricardo merch coming soon. No, there won't, Ricardo. Hey, yes, there will. No, there won't. Hey!
Alright, there we go.
But yeah, there will be Ricardo merch coming soon. No, there won't. No, there won't, Ricardo. Shut up! You don't know anything! I'm Koski Bakugo. Yeah! But,
I'm telling you either.
what?
Well, I am telling you either.
Down to the mystic and down to the road. I'm gonna make a big boat. How about tell it here?
What's the better one? It's the Telling You Either frogs. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, you're asleep.
Yeah, sorry, I was. What? Hi, my name is Cookie. No, but seriously, my name is Cookie. My name is Cookie. Cookie, get out of here.
What's your favorite anime?
Don't care. Really. Anyway, for this vlog, it's don't care. Anyway, it's about 30. Don't care. I guess now it's don't care. I got you. It's don't care vlogs now. Get out of here.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah. Oh, it's that thing. But we're not doing that. We're not doing that in this video. Yeah, sorry. I just wanted to try it out. But the name's Shoto Todoroki. Oh, what's up?
Why do I always seem depressed?
I'm not depressed.
My Hero Academia Rovers. So Todoroki will be depressed in My Hero Academia Season 5. I'm gonna alert the news.
Do you know what he's trying to say? No, I don't really know what he's trying to say. Anyway, I gotta go hang out with Mom. Shut up, Kaden. Sorry, but that was funny. Did I just get
Hello
grabbed?
there.
Did I just get grub hubbed? Yeah, I think he got grub hubbed. Anyway, I gotta go hang out with Momo
I
Yayarozu.
can't grab him.
I gotta go hang out with Momo Yayarozu. Bye.
You mean Momo from the Momo's house?
No, his classmate. Also, somebody on Claus Gaming Vlogs TikTok commented on one of Claus's videos, and they said they look like they're head bopping. Do we look like we're head bopping? I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so.
This is head bopping.
I'm getting up.
Want to know something else loud? Yeah,
Laugh, I didn't laugh.
I had beans.
Laugh, I didn't laugh.
Not didn't. Funny laugh. Didn't funny, not laugh. Didn't funny, not laugh. Didn't funny, not laugh.
What?
Oh, mate, you got any bread in here? No, go away. Hey, do you like Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is the best ever, right? No. Thanks.
I'm from Assassination Costume. My name's Kuro Subset, and I'll give you 1 year to kill me. Or I will just destroy this earth so you can't make an art video.
Oh.
Yeah, see ya.
Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Thanksgiving is the worst. Hey guys, Turkey Gaming Vlogs here. Sorry about that, guys. But,
Some people have the no.
what? No, not this video, not this video, no. No. Not this video. Please. Thank you. It always looks like I'm doing the finger blast. Like, finger blast, you know? No? Okay. The name Shoto Toro. Yeah, we know. I'll be asleep. Ooh, you should really get the new Donkey Kong Country Freeze. Donkey Kong Tropical Freeze. Yeah, I will get the new Donkey Kong Tropical Freeze game. That's coming out when? Oh, I don't know, but you should really get the new Donkey Kong Tropical Freeze. That's coming out. Alright. The prophecy is true.
The prophecy is true.
Are you gonna get the new Tropical Freeze game? Yeah, alright. I'm gonna sleep.
And the last one, before I'll stop.
Nugget in a biscuit, nugget, biscuit, nugget in a biscuit. Alright, that's enough of that.
Yeah, that's enough. One more. Okay, no.
My dump truck's worn out.
Yeah, we're gonna have that dumb truck.
No, I don't. Hey, what's up, Ricardo? What's up, Carmen? Nothing much, you know, I just, somebody was talking to me about this thing called Grubhub. Oh, yeah, just never mention that again, not on this channel. Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't know that was, you know, a thing that I shouldn't have mentioned. Oh, it is. It isn't. Then why can't I mention it? Because it's a new thing now. Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. My dad's calling me. Is he? Come here, we gotta go train. Oh, yeah, he is. Bye. Guess he wasn't
Look at
lying.
how much followers KF101 has.
81.
Yep.
But Dominic, are you gonna bring any more characters? Give me my burping money or say goodbye. Alright, Anyway, we're gonna end this video very shortly.
Alright now.
What's up, Nutty? Yeah, we're gonna end this video here at exactly... Alright, see you guys later.